Gaming PC power can now come in miniature and mighty packages with the rise of performance-packed mini-gaming PCs. From budget builds to premium rigs, these tiny yet mighty machines feature high-end components in small chassis designs perfect for space-constrained setups. So if you are looking forward to getting a mini gaming PC for your setup, here are the top recommendations in 2024. The first one on the list is the Onyx from simplynuc. Powered by Intel's 13th Gen Raptor Lake 45W processors and cooled via simplynuc's dual exhaust system. It comes with a high-end Core i9 configuration, unlocking impressive performance levels never before achieved in a compact 4x4 chassis. With support for up to 96GB DDR5 5200 RAM, 16 TB storage capacity, and benchmark results off the charts, Onyx certainly delivers on performance. Designed based on customer input to offer flexible expansion capabilities, Onyx allows users to customize I/O to their needs via the replaceable lid and rear panel. Other than just gaming, options for additional USB, HDMI, LAN, or serial ports make Onyx adaptable from office workstations to sophisticated IoT implementations as well. The 13th Gen Raptor Lake H series processors powering Onyx feature up to 14 cores and 20 threads, cramming robust performance into the small form factor. For uncompromised processing power in a mini PC, the Onyx NUC is a stellar choice. Now gamers and creators, those who are seeking maximum power in a compact build should look no further than the Zotac Magnus One. Despite its relatively small frame that weighs in at 16.17 pounds, this mini gaming PC packs some serious hardware inside. At the heart of the Magnus One sits an Intel Core i7 10700, no slouch when it comes to tackling demanding multi-threaded workloads. Pair this with NVIDIA's capable RTX 3070 graphics card and you will have a GPU rendering and gaming PC that is capable of ray-traced visuals and high frame rates in the latest titles. With 16 GB of speedy DDR4 memory and up to 1.5 TB of M.2 SSD storage, the Magnus One has ample capacity for games, videos, 3D assets, and more. Connecting displays and peripherals is a breeze with the Magnus One's rear port selection including DisplayPort, HDMI, USB Type-C, and 4 USB 3.2 General 2 ports. All told, the Zotac Magnus One delivers outstanding power for both work and play in a chassis sized similarly to a mini ITX build. If unbridled performance in a pint-sized package is what you need, this mini gaming PC deserves your consideration. Housed in a uniquely compact 12-liter chassis, the Corsair ONE i400 packs the power of a full desktop gaming rig into a minimal footprint. At the heart of this mini gaming PC lies Intel's 13th Gen Core i7 13700KF CPU and NVIDIA's flagship RTX 3080 GPU, a pairing ready to get you into the latest games and multimedia projects. CPU and GPU liquid cooling allow the i400 to unlock the full potential of these high-end components by preventing thermal throttling. Backing up the CPU and GPU is a generous 32GB of blisteringly fast DDR5 5600 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, plenty of capacity for game installs and media storage. Also, connectivity is robust with Thunderbolt 4, USB 3.2 General 2, 7.1 audio, 2.5G Ethernet and Wi-Fi 6E onboard. The specially designed 750W SFX power supply can drive all this premium hardware reliably. If you seek no compromise performance to dominate 1440p and 4K gaming in a small form factor chassis that won't dominate your desk space, the Corsair ONE i400 is one to look forward to. Coming up, we have the NUC12 Enthusiast mini PC from Intel. This is an impressive compact machine ready to power demanding applications. With its unique vertical orientation and 60mm tall footprint, this mini PC delivers robust performance without hogging desk space. Inside its small frame, the NUC12 Enthusiast packs the processing power of an i7 12700H CPU and Intel Arc graphics, easily handling intensive gaming and creative workloads. Speedy DDR4 RAM up to 3200 MHz ensures snappy response times, while the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.0 provides modern wireless connectivity. Storage needs are covered with 3 M.2 slots, and the NUC12 Enthusiast doesn't skimp on I/O either. You'll find an SD card reader, Thunderbolt 4, LAN port, HDMI and more both front and back. Impressive airflow within the distinct chassis keeps the components running cool even when pushed hard. If you want potent processing muscle in a unique vertical mini PC design, the Enthusiast class NUC12 from Intel can be a great choice. For budget-minded buyers, the MP60 mini PC from Blackview offers an affordable option in a compact design. With its clean and minimalist styling, the MP60 delivers visual appeal in a small footprint perfect for tight spaces. Though petite, the MP60 can accommodate both 2.5-inch HDDs and SSDs for flexible storage expansion when needed. Under the hood, it packs an Intel N5095 processor and supports up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. Decent muscle for light gaming and productivity workloads. Standout features include dual 4K 60Hz HDMI outputs for easy multitasking and an efficient workflow. At its inexpensive price point, the MP60 provides respectable performance for casual gaming and everyday tasks. If you want a scaled-down mini PC with enough power for work and play at a wallet-friendly cost, the Blackview MP60 is a great choice. Next, we got the Venus Series M773 Lite Mini PC from MINISFORUM. It packs serious performance into a compact chassis perfect for space-constrained setups. Powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with Radeon 680M integrated graphics, the M773 delivers responsive multitasking capabilities and smooth graphics performance for casual gaming and media duties. Despite its small size, the M773 doesn't compromise on memory or storage. It comes equipped with a generous 32 GB of fast DDR5 4800 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. This hardware combination enables fast system responsiveness and rapid asset loading. Display connectivity is a standout feature, with the M773 supporting up to 2 4K displays via HDMI and a third 8K display through the USB-C port. For networking, the M773 provides a wired 2.5 Gbps LAN port and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. All in all, the Venus Series M773 Lite Mini PC from MINISFORUM packs robust performance and display capabilities into a compact, space-saving design perfect for home setup and casual gaming. And finally, we have the Beelink GTR6. A powerful option, especially for multi-monitor setups. The GTR5 packs AMD's robust Ryzen 9 6900HX CPU, clocking speeds up to a blistering 4.9 GHz for exceptional processing power. Multitasking and storage are handled capably by 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe 4.0 SSD. This hardware combination delivers smooth system responsiveness and lightning-fast load times. One of the GTR5's most impressive capabilities is support for either a single 8K display or 4 monitors simultaneously. So if you need to drive multiple high-resolution displays, GTR6 can handle it. Connectivity is also a highlight, with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and plenty of ports on board. For those seeking a mini PC able to drive high-end monitor configurations with top-notch performance, the feature-packed Beelink GTR5 is a superb choice. We hope you found the right mini gaming PC for your setup. Thanks for watching, and do let us know your opinion in the comment section below.